So welcome to my YouTube channel. That's what we call The Good Life. Today I'm going to be talking about aubergines and how you can grow them really well. I'm going to let you into some top tips that I've been doing that has meant that I've had fantastic aubergines the last few years. So if you've not already subscribed to my channel, if you could please do so, because you'll get lots of helpful hints and tips all throughout the year from my home garden, my allotment, and from time to time my home kitchen. So, as you can see, I've got 2 aubergine plants. Since I've learnt how to grow aubergines better, I don't grow as many. I grew 6 last year and I was feeding like masses and masses of people. So I've just done 2 this year. So, as you can see, let's have a look down here. They're doing really well. So I'm going to be cooking a recipe today from the Riverford Organics website. I've got some really good looking ones. Can you see that? Absolutely tons and tons forming here. So, and this has made all the difference because of a few things I've been doing over the last couple of years. You will need some secateurs to get them off. But yeah, look at that. I mean, that's pretty impressive, isn't it? So I'm going to take off 2 of the biggest ones because I need 2 and let the rest fill out. There you go. So as you can see, still loads all around the plant and there's masses and masses of bloom. Same on this one as well. This one's not quite so prolific, but we've still got lots of bloom on there and lots of fruits forming. So one of the things about aubergines, they are incredibly hungry plants. You feed them with tomato feed. That's a really good feed because they need a high potash feed to encourage the fruits and to encourage the blooms. You can make your own feed from comfrey, which I do, and I also do have a wormery as well, so I take some of the liquid off of that. You don't have to do all of those things, but a combination of one of those is perfectly okay. And I must admit, when we had our chickens, we dug a lot of the chicken manure into that area as well, so that really helps. So the main thing is to really feed them really well, but if you only ever gave them tomato feed, that would be perfectly okay. If you want to get like myself and start making your own, then comfrey and worm tea are 2 excellent alternatives or additions as well. And sometimes we do add a little bit of ash from our wood burner as well, so things like that really do improve it. You do need to keep them quite well watered. I would recommend a really nice sunny spot. This part of my garden is a little almost like a Mediterranean kind of area because the sun really comes down on here, so that's why I always have my tomatoes here and my aubergines, and because I find that they do really well indeed. So my main top tip, and it was given to me by someone who I know really well, who's small holding. I visited, and we have actually got videos, and if you trail through on there, Will and Bridget, is I actually buy grafted plants now. For years and years I started them off from seed, and I had okay results, but they took absolutely ages to grow, and I never really got the aubergines that I was expecting. They're all quite small and not as impressive as I would like them to be. So to get a grafted variety, which is what I do every year, is really well worth the money. It costs a little bit more, but the crops you get are absolutely fantastic. I use Suttons, but I'm sure there's other places that do it too, and the variety that I chose was Scorpio, and I found that the most reliable that I've had. So I do hope that's helped you grow some better aubergines. If you grow aubergines and you've got any top tips, or let me know how your aubergines are going, or whether it's going to inspire you to grow some next year, I'd really love to know.